Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. And if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular makeup look. And if you want to see how I achieve this particular base, then please head on to my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @follow_me_mimi. There I have already uploaded the base video, and from there you can check it out how I have achieved this particular base routine. In this video I primarily have used like two main colors, being purple and the other one being red. I was never so sure that a purple and a red can go so well together, both being so dark and so loud. I never thought that, and I was like, is it going to come good or not? Okay, let's see what it happens. And if you also want to know how I achieved this particular eye makeup, then please keep on watching. So now as you can already see that I'm done with my base, so I'll quickly start on with my eye makeup. And today is to start my eye makeup. Today the first palette which I'm going to choose right now, right here, is going to be my James Charles Morphe X James Charles palette, which is this one. So taking this particular palette, I'm going to start my today's look. And not to forget, I have already primed my eyelids, and to prime my eyelids I have used my PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, which is this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I have used this to prime my eyelids. So now taking the first color from the James Charles Artistry palette, I'm just going to take this purple color over here. I'm taking it onto a small pencil brush like this, and I am going to place it onto like my crease. So now at this point, when I'm done putting that purple color onto my crease and doing this outer V thingy, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and grab the next color. And for next color, the color which I'm going to choose is from this particular palette only. So this is going to be like this color over here, this bright red color over here. So now taking that beautiful color over here, I'm just going to put it on to my crease and blend the purple shadow. So I'm just like taking the color onto my brush, and I'm placing this particular red shadow, and at the same time I'm blending the purple color as well. I'm just doing like little circular motion so that while placing the red color, I am diffusing it and giving it a nice and blended look. So now at this point, when I'm done diffusing the purple color with the red color, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut my crease. And to cut my crease, again I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready concealer, which is this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. So I'm just going to use this one to cut my crease. So now at this time, when I'm done with my cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab my Colourpop Cosmetics Main Crease palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take like this particular beautiful red color over here called Home Slice, and taking it onto a flat brush like this, I'm just going to put it onto my cut crease area, and I will be just like filling it in. So now when I'm done with putting on that red color, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some glitters onto this red color of my eyes, not totally, but onto like this junction where it is meeting actually the purple shade. So I have taken some loose glitter which you get onto market, just like that. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased this from some stationery stores. These are some craft glitter which you use for glittering. And so now when it's done, I'm just going to take my Miss Claire Pearl shadow, like liquid shadow. I have never used this one. I recently purchased it. I don't know how it is going to come out, but let's see how it comes out. So yeah, I'm just going to take this and draw a nice liner onto the edge of my cut crease. So now when I'm done with putting that silver holographic liner onto the cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and put on some liner. And for my liner, I'm going to use my all-time favorite NYX Epic Ink liner, which is this one. So I'm just going to go and put on some liner. And the other thing which I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go and complete this eye, and I will be right back. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting on this liner, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on some falsies, and I will be completing this eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies, and for my falsies I have used my PAC M71 lashes, which are this one, like which wear this one. Now I'm wearing them. So that's the drill. And I have put on some highlighter today, and for my highlighter I have used a liquid highlighter for a change today, which is my L'Oreal highlighter, liquid highlighter, which is this one. It's in the shade 01, as you can see. So I have taken this one. This smells amazing. This is the first time I have used it. I've never used it before. I recently ordered it. So yeah, I just put it onto the high points of my face, and I have just dabbed it with my finger like this. So this is the glow cause of this liquid highlighter. Problem with the liquid highlighter, you just put it and you dab it with your fingers like this, and it will get blended immediately. So that's the thing, and it smells amazing. I think I've told you previously also, but it smells amazing. So yeah, this is my entire look. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.